The wind has been up. The wind advisory is still ongoing until 9 o'clock this evening for all of North Texas because we are still seeing those wind gusts over 40 to even 45 miles an hour. Red flag warning over our western counties. That goes until 9 o'clock tonight. Right now, we're seeing wind gusts anywhere between about really 25 to almost 55. We still have that isolated wind gust of 52 in McKinney. There's the 52 in Bonham, but a 41 in Bowie, a 44 in Archer City, but right around 40 across the Dallas Metroplex, 30 mile an hour though in Waxahachie. But the highest that we've seen today has been the one in McKinney and Bonham, but a 46 there in Gainesville. We had a 52 gust in Wichita Falls and in Archer City. So yes, it's been very windy, but we are expecting that wind to relax a whole lot overnight tonight. This is going to be 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and these are the wind gusts. So sustained wind will be even lower. So anywhere between about 5 to 15 miles an hour tomorrow morning. I think tomorrow afternoon, the wind, it still looks pretty light. This is going to be 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, and some stations reporting a calm wind. That doesn't last forever. By Friday morning, we start to see those wind gusts approach 20 to 25 miles an hour. And then by Friday afternoon, I think we're still going to see 30, maybe 35 miles an hour. So a little bit more windy on Friday, but not nearly as windy as what we've had going on today. Camera shaking a little bit from time to time. This is our DFW airport camera. Temperatures are nice and warm though in the mid 60s. We've got some high clouds trying to move in from the north and west, and just kind of looking out a little bit further, you can see snow showers over parts of Kansas, rain across parts of Oklahoma, but we've been very dry across North Texas. We need to see the rain. How much longer will it be? Well, it could be quite some time. We're going to take you all the way through tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon. This is going to be tomorrow evening, and we've got nothing but sunshine. Friday, the same thing. We've got nothing but sun. Temperatures will be warmer. The wind shifts back to the south. On Saturday afternoon, we're going to take you all the way throughout the day. And finally, we start to see maybe a few more clouds by Saturday night into Sunday morning. This is going to be 1 o'clock Sunday afternoon. A cold front comes through the metro. Out ahead of it, clouds will certainly increase, and there will be at least a chance of rain. But rain and storm chances really don't pick up until later in the afternoon and evening. And that's going to be the far eastern part of Texas. So I think Dallas at this point, we're looking pretty dry unless something dramatic changes. Tonight, though, temperatures drop down into the upper 30s to low 40s. So it's going to be a cold start to your Thursday, which is the first day of spring. We're going to start out in 39 degrees in Denton, 41 in downtown Fort Worth, 38 degrees tomorrow morning in Gainesville. Tomorrow afternoon, the normal 70, we're going to go 67 at DFW, but about 64 in Denton, 64 in McKinney, 65 in Hillsborough, and 63 degrees tomorrow in Decatur. So for tonight, under clear skies, it's going to get pretty cold with a lot less wind tomorrow morning. We're dropping into the low 40s. Tomorrow afternoon, we're going to see upper 60s, which is pretty seasonal for this time of year. But by Friday, the wind comes back, not too windy, just a little windy. Temperatures in the upper 70s. And then on Saturday, we're going to be back in the 80s. We stay in the 80s on Sunday out ahead of the cold front that will come through later in the afternoon, but only about a 10% coverage of showers and storms. Behind it, temperatures do drop off into the mid 70s, which is still really nice. We're back in the 80s for Tuesday, and looking at that last 7 days of the 14th, this is a nice update from some of the data that we've been looking at the previous days. It's starting to show more rain and storm chances as we end the month of March. So hopefully those hold. Matt, back to you.